Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying edition and license so you avoid mismatched keys. Sign into the exact account that purchased or holds the subscription. This links entitlement automatically. Once signed, run the Office Activation Troubleshooter from Settings or Control Panel. This resolves many token issues quickly. Make sure Windows and Office updates are installed because outdated components can block activation. If you must, disconnect other Office accounts to prevent conflicts before moving to manual key entry. Now you perform the deeper fixes. Run online repair from programs and features to reinstall activation components. This restores corrupt DLLs and services. If that fails, change the product key in File, Account, Change License, or use OSP. VBS for volume/KMS activations. That forces revalidation. Clear stored Office credentials in Windows Credential Manager and delete obsolete tokens under %localappdata, %Microsoft \Office \. Finish by confirming file, account shows activated. If it still reads unlicensed, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. For corporate KMS, verify DNS SRV records and that the client can reach the KMS host on required ports since network blocks cause activation failures. If problems persist, collect activation logs, Office C2R or OSP output, and note exact error codes. Then contact Microsoft support with that information. One key tip: always test on another machine to isolate account versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.